In this video, I'm going to be comparing Make.com versus Zapier over here versus n8n, and finally we have our finally we have Relevance AI. So basically, you can see we made a couple of videos on Make.com. The workflow is really simple. Let's just say you want to start with a module, you can simply add that. You can incorporate more modules in here. You can see, let's just say I want to add in here something related to mail or Gmail, send an email, and you can completely automate that. We can incorporate literally most of the social media platforms out there. If you want to incorporate YouTube, we have that, and we can simply combine them together. You can see, just like that, and this is the bridge between. So we have this feature, and other than that, you can see we have our templates to get started with. So we can just simply go back to our home page and start with a template as well. So by the way, you can also get a huge discount using the link in the description below on make.com. You can actually get 1 month completely free on pro plan, so make sure to check the link in the description. Then we have our n8n. So this is also one of my favorite platforms. You can start from scratch. You will be able to see the workflow. It goes the same way. You can see this is our trigger. Then we have our, let's just say, any actions. If you want to add, you can literally add anything in here as well. Let's just say we have an application called Asana. We can integrate both of these and incorporate them. So this goes basically sideways, unlike our make.com. So it doesn't really matters. It is going to be doing the same way. So we also have much more options, like for example our templates to get started with. So this is a simple lead capture. You can use this if you want to on your software, or you can simply customize this according to your demands. You can connect your sheets, you can connect your Slack, and then it is going to be automating the step 4. You can see how nice this looks. And then we have Zapier. So this is the one of the oldest one, and I really like this about the uh, integrations it does have. You can create chatbots, canvas. So the workflow is all similar to like n8n and templates in make.com. You can see we have our app connections, so we have a ton of apps to get started with, and you can search in here for the app. So yeah, I really like Zapier. You can really trust this one as well. And then we have our relevance. So this is the one which is by far the most modular, or you can say like you can simply build your own custom agents, deploy them, and the customizability is really good on Relevance AI. So if you want something really flexible and customizable, you can go with Relevance. So yeah, so n8n is really strong in this case, and make.com is actually also doing a very good job, but the templates are really amazing in this. So I recommend make.com for beginners, and if you are even a professional, you can use make.com.